O bakit ba kailangan bang umalis? Pakiusap ko na huwag ka nang lumihis. Tayo'y mag-usap, teka lang, ika'y huminto. Huwag mo kong iwan na ayusin natin to. Daling sabihin na ayaw mo na, pero pinag-isipan mo pa. Lapit-lapit ako'y
Yeah, good morning. We got invited by our tour guide, Ramon, to go eat at his place today.
Yes.
So that'll be a great experience.
Vic keeps saying Boodle fight. I don't know what that is, but I guess I'm gonna find out.
Yeah, let's find out.
No
Yeah.
idea what the hell a Boodle fight is.
It's fight! You know, you're just gonna freaking get in there and fight for what you think is yours.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
We'll find
Well,
out.
we'll show you what it looks like in a few moments.
Oh yeah, a few months.
Kapalit. Doon sa teacher's camp. Kaya ka pala doon. Isa, kaya na kayo.
Hindi pa namin sila mo.
Hindi ko rin. Sarap ng kain niya.
Hi.
Sige pa.
First time, Boodle fight. Hi na. Kamayan pa. Yan si Ramon. Yung tour guide namin, oh. There's the cook, master chef.
Legal!
Ano to? Yung bulan. Yung ginamit mo.
Gabi.
Gabi?
Oo, pati yung sa pinangat, gabi din. Ganun din.
Took a morning ride to the place where you and I were supposed to meet. The city owns the echo on, my thoughts are spinning on and on my head, it seems. They lead me back to you. I keep coming back to you. Took a morning ride, found a place up in my mind no one else can see. Maybe it's fate that we lose control. In circles around we go. We become who we ought to know. We just gotta let it go. We just gotta let it go.
Sabuyan bagang ano?
Bahi.
Bahay.
So I'm coming home to
Bahi.
all I need, the very air I breathe. Oh, 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 oh.
The family?
Maybe it's fate that we can't control.
So, 105.
So I'm coming home to you.
Bebe? Wanna go around first? Go around.
Yeah. We don't go to the market often.
Daragang magayon. You know what that mean, right?
So we finished eating the Boodle fight, and we are back at the Legazpi side.
Yes, sir.
Now it's more popular than yesterday, but we're gonna be hanging out with Chris's family and just touring the city. So once again, welcome to Legazpi. We're at FarmPlate, where we're gonna try some halo-halo and whatever food we might fancy. Let's check it out. Ano?
Check first.
Oh yeah, that would be disappointing if they didn't have halo-halo,
They have something cold.
right?
Can you just shake?
I guess we could try.
I found a way home. I found a way home. I found a way home.
food. Fresh food.
So I'm coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe.
So, little surprise, meeting my cousin here. Yeah, I actually only know him from the States, and he's here because my other cousin said he was here. So, it's like, hey, let's meet up.
Yeah, by the way, when he meant cousin, real cousin, not like just cousins because we know each other.
Real cousin,
Yeah.
real cousin.
Because Filipinos like, oh, cousin this, cousin that. Actually, blood related cousin.
Yes. Yeah. But he took us to this FarmPlate place. A bunch of animals here. Oh, here we go. Here's one. And of course, Mount my own. There. That's it. Yeah, a little bit.
Not enough wind.
It will fly.
Do not look like pine needles.
It almost feels fake.
Right? This cannot. Are these native here?
I don't know.
Do you know what these are?
The local.
Do you know what these are? Have you seen this before?
Awesome pine trees.
Right?
Yeah, but not
this
here
one?
in the
Right.
to feel it. It feels fake.
Yeah, those are pine trees. But this is not pine.
She just popped a bunch of balloons and it freaked her out. It's my cousin Jack here and his wife. We're very kind enough to treat us to this place called FarmPlate. But the main reason we came here was this place right here.
But they're out of ice.
They're out of ice. And now Jack has got my heart set on halo halo and mango shake. And we're gonna go find some.
That's like a stomach ache.
That must happen. I'm gonna get both. Well, one, we haven't had any halo halo. Dude, you realize when we were here back in 2020?
We did not have halo halo
We
either.
did not have halo halo that time, so
this time, halo halo,
we
for
will,
sure.
Our mission is to find halo halo.
But the best, it has to be the best halo halo. You know what's got the best halo halo?
The night
Jollibee.
market. No, that night market.
The night.
Kahit talo na umabot sa papawirin San mang dako'y pinangakong makakarating Ikaw lang ay makapiling Gagawin ko ang lahat
Jack.
Hello. So the flavor will be the same, right? This is